Èmi wo wà lọ join school of acting wà kọ́kọ́ ṣe school of acting fún 2 years wọn ò ní rí ẹ rárá ẹ kàn máa jó bàtà pé then after that ń pé tó bá ti wá parí 2 years ní school yẹn wà wá padà sí kíní acting wà kọ́kọ́ bá Iyabo Ojo gbé bag fún 6 years nínú 6 years yẹn wọ́n á fi ẹ́ ṣe waka pass ní ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì tó bá ti kúrò lọ́dọ̀ Iyabo Ojo wà á tún bọ́ sọ́dọ̀ Funke Akindele wà á tún bá gbé bag fún another 6 years nínú 6 years yẹn wà á tún ṣe waka pass náà ní ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì like it was kind of a joke anyways but ṣẹ́mo it was a joke but bí a nígbà yẹn náà wọ́n máa ń ṣe yẹn mọ̀ mentor and all that ìyẹn kàn tún discourage mi ni pé màá tún.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'm looking for Mr. Dotun Shoyinka.
Speaking right here.
I have a question for you.
Go right ahead with your question, man.
What have I done to deserve you?
Orílẹ̀-èdè Amẹ́ríkà ni ó ń gbé o níbẹ̀ náà ni ìràwọ̀ ẹ̀ ti ń tàn tó sì ṣe dáadáa nínú iṣẹ́ sinimá tó yàn láàyò ṣé ìṣẹ́bọ ní iṣẹ́ oògùn bá a ti wáyé pé àárí la máa rí nígbẹ̀yìn ọ̀rọ̀ fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àìmọye ọdún sẹ́yìn ni o níní ńlá nínú àwọn obìnrin arẹwà oníṣẹ́ta tí ń gbẹ̀rùngbẹ̀ láti di òṣèré tí yóò máa fi ìtàn àròsọ iṣẹ́ sinimá kọ́ ọmọ aráyé lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kíní kan ni ó ń da arábìnrin Ìdòwú Akínṣadé lọ́wọ́ kọ́ o ṣùgbọ́n kí ni ó dé orílẹ̀-èdè Amẹ́ríkà sí níṣe ni ìràwọ̀ ẹ̀ búyọ o tí òun náà sì di ńlá nínú ẹyẹ bàgẹ̀bàgẹ̀ tó ń gbé sinimá Yorùbá jáde lónìí lu èròǹgbà láti ṣe dáadáa tí orúkọ tiẹ̀ náà yóò sì wà nínú àkọsílẹ̀ rẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ olùtó dá ìwà tó fi ọgbọ́n ọnú ohun òye ọkàn gbé àṣà Yorùbá lárugẹ o nípa lílo sinimá fi kọ́ àwọn èèyàn wòye lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gidi ṣẹ́yìn náà ti gbọ́ nípa ọmọ Sekinat ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
ẹ máa kú aṣálẹ̀.
ẹ ṣé.
Orúkọ yín lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́.
Orúkọ mi ni Ìdòwú Akínṣadé. Well, so like bí a torí movie mi tó ṣe jáde recently àwọn èèyàn kàn ṣe ń pè mí ní orúkọ yẹn ọmọ Sekinat.
Ọmọ Sekinat.
You know.
Mo ṣáà rí pé ọmọ Sekinat is everywhere. Kí ni nǹkan tó bí ọmọ Sekinat?
Actually, Shemo, share that, like movie and all that. Even if you want to give it to a writer or, you want someone to give you, to, tell you a story and all that, Shemo, you can always say, oh, in combine, eba me, build it and all that. And Edemokwe Aye me saying, like, we have so many betrayals out there. We have so many snakes out there. Téèyàn bá gbé, téèyàn bá jẹ, téèyàn bá mu, téèyàn finú tọ́, tí èèyàn dẹ̀ nímọ̀ pé ejò yìí gangan ló ń, ṣá mi jẹ àbí ló ń pa mí àbí nǹkankan. And as storytellers, as actors, we are out there to, always kind of teach people, because any movie tebati rí ní tàbí 9 out of 10 times true life story ni. So 9 out of 10 times true life story ni. It's either someone's story or nǹkan tí ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ séèyàn kan rí or téèyàn kan gbọ́ and all that, Shemo. So it was just all about teaching our viewers out there. Okay, you just have to be careful of people and all that. So
Then almost Sekinat ṣe maiden edition ni or you have done so many before now as in movie production?
Just a few before now, like mo ti ṣe Last Laugh, and Last Laugh is about bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń treat àwọn plus size women.
Okay, plus size.
Like,
àwọn tó bá lómi lára àwọn obìnrin tó sanra. Okay.
Yeah, àwọn obìnrin tó sanra. Ṣé mo bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń treat wọn, ojú táwọn èèyàn máa fi ń wò wọn. At least I'm a plus size woman, so I can always talk about that.
Hello.
Even though,
hello. Báwo ló ṣe máa ń treat wọn?
So like Shemo, mentality àwọn èèyàn is like èèyàn tó bá ti sanra ó wà full of àìsàn. like blood pressure, diabetes, this and that. And 9 out of 10 times, only my ribe. And even if to buy ribe, you to slim no, chemo.
No, the license.
You know, yeah. So it's not about the size. Then àwọn èèyàn tún máa ní mentality bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé èèyàn tó sanra wọn lè tètè rọ́kọ, you know, that kind of a thing. And 9 Shemo, like I wanted to, you know, put out there just to let people know that, I mean, èèyàn sanra ò mean pé ó wà prone to, you know, sicknesses and diseases. Èèyàn sanra ò dẹ̀ mean pé kò lè rọ́kọ fẹ́ àbí kò lè rọ́kùnrin tó máa like it with the size and all that. So it was just something like that. Then the second one was revenge. Yeah, so you know, we just talked about revenge, you know, be king shake fún yàn, and you would not express to the person pé ó ṣe mí, ọ̀rẹ́ mi ó ṣe mí o, bye ló ṣe and all that, kẹ́ ìjọ talk kí yàn máa wá opportunity láti revenge, kó yàn wá rí opportunity yẹn kó wá fẹ́ lò dáadáa, you know, like it's just, you know, that's fine anyway. So then Sekinat. So in all, like we just try to, you know, put narratives out there. But
kò sí kí èèyàn jẹ́ a movie maker lénìí kó má níbi tí a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. You're shot into movie line. Báwo ló ṣe wáyé? Ṣé nǹkan tẹ plan ni? Ṣé ẹ̀kọ́ bára ń bẹ accidentally ni?
No, so okay. Báyìí ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀. Like I've always, you know, wanted to be, you know, a movie maker. I've always wanted to be in the movie industry, be an actor, like just an actor. Like I just want to act. Any other thing. The one in the movie making, actually, like I just want to, you know, mimic a character. I just want to, like, it's something I like to do. I can do. So, by the time I was in secondary school so many years ago, yeah, I became a lunch lesson. So we meet
back in Nigeria, right?
In Nigeria, yes, yeah. Like so many years ago. So we meet our English industry. Ernest Asuzu, Otikun saying, may God rest his soul. So Chemo, like as a young person, can't worry. Movie actor, think to marry Lori Telly. So I was, you know, all over him. We were talking. I really want to, you know, be an actress too. Kidiko, and all that. So Osha introduced me, see, 1 or 2 people. Then Tomati one shall movies being Tomani and Waka Pass, Kidiko, Oma like with me, Malo. So move on, she be 1 or 2 be Waka Pass come. Oma Sheni Unilag, Nigba and all that. So Tomato wá pè mí fún rehearsal. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tán secondary school. Mo níṣẹ́, mo nábọ̀, mo náwó, like I was still living with my parents. So wọ́n ti pè mí fún rehearsal. Mo náwó tí máa fi wọ bus lọ. Màá wá bí mom sí mi, máa fún ìbẹ̀ wọ́n pé mo fẹ́, you know, lọ fún rehearsal kíníkan. Ọmọ mi ò ní ṣe tíátà kíníkan. Àwọn màá ṣáà rọjú bọ̀ mi títí. Ìgbà tí mo dẹ̀ náwó tí mo fẹ́ fi wọ bọ́ọ̀sì lọ, màá miss rehearsal yẹn, màá miss opportunity yẹn, màá miss títí ó ṣàfi sú mi. Mo ṣàgbà yẹn mo rántí pé mo máa ń bẹ̀ wọ́n á ṣàbá ní láyé kíní kan. In fact, mo rántí ọjọ́ kan gan. See, like, because sometimes that while growing up, I can be so dramatic. Mo rántí ọjọ́ kan, bí ọ̀rọ̀ mi ṣe ni mo á wọlé padà, mo ìdí báyìí, mo á lọ bá wọn, mo ní nǹkan kò ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi. Irọ́ ni o, mo ní nǹkan kò ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi bí mo ṣe ń bọ̀ sí yẹn o. Wípé mo rí man kan báyìí. Ó wọṣọ funfun látòkè délẹ̀ báyìí. Ó wá pè mí pé ọmọ mi wá. Wọ́n gbé àyà mi tiẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ já pé kó bá yẹn kẹ́ni ìfẹ́ fi mi ṣòro pé mo ṣáà lọ báyọ̀ náà pé ẹ ká sọ sáà. Pé ọwọ́ ni àpé mo rí future ẹ̀ pé pé tíátà ni ó máa ṣe o pé tètè lọ gbájúmọ́ o tíátà ló máa ṣe o pé mo ti rí future ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kíndìkan pé tètè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbájúmọ́ láti sìn lọ kíndìkan pé máa ní ẹ ṣọ́ ọ̀sà wa ni àpé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o kíní kan máa ní ẹ ṣe sà máa nà mú mi ẹ̀rí báyìí ni pé ó dà ìpínlẹ̀ ló rán máa ní ẹ̀ sí mi o ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ máa ṣe kíní bọ́bí láyé kíní kan so gbà tó yá ọkọ̀ sú mi because mi ò náwó tí mo fẹ́ fi máa lọ máa ṣe rehearsal and all that. So fast forward to So many years later, okay, mo ti dàgbà, mo ti ń ṣiṣẹ́, mo ní owó mi, tí máa fẹ́ lọ join any theatre group, school or anything, I, can do that and all that. So, but ìgbà yẹn, ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ti ń wùyàn láti ilẹ̀, tó ti discourage èèyàn. Kéèyàn tó tún lè get that, feel padà, it takes a lot. So mo rántí gbà yẹn náà tí mo wá ṣàtìtì dàgbà bí a bá máa bá ọ̀rẹ́ mi kankan sọ pé like I've always wanted to be an actor. Nísìnyí, mo still don't discourage me, but nísìnyí mo ti tójú ara mi gbọ́n to say this is what I want. I'm an adult. Nǹkan kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn pé bọ́ tí wọ́n ti ń pé mo fẹ́ lọ máa join àwọn bíi school àbí kankan school of acting kan àbí kankan kìíní kan. How do I even go about it and all that? Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi ní àánú ẹ ṣe mí wo wà lọ join school of acting wà kọ́kọ́ ṣe school of acting fún 2 years. Wọn ò ní rí ẹ rárá ẹ kàn máa jó bàtà pé then after that tó bá ti wá parí 2 years ní school yẹn wà wá padà sí kíní acting wà kọ́kọ́ bá Iyabo Òjó gbé bag fún 6 years. Nínú 6 years yẹn wọ́n á fi ẹ́ ṣe waka pass ní ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì. Tó bá ti kúrò lọ́dọ̀ Iyabo Òjó wà á tún bọ́ sọ́dọ̀ Funke Akindele wà á tún bá gbé bag for another 6 years. Nínú 6 years yẹn wà á tún ṣe waka pass náà ní ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì. Like it was kind of a joke anyways, but ṣẹ́mo it was a joke, but bí a nígbà yẹn náà wọ́n máa ń ṣe yẹmọ̀ mentor and all that. Ìyẹn kò tún discourage mi ni pé màá tún lo 12 years gbáko lórí waka pass náà and all that. Ìjọ́ gangan lèyàn wá fẹ́ ṣe kínní. So ó kọ̀ ṣàṣù mi, totally. I just forgot about it. Kò wá sí memory mi mọ́ like it used to be. So fast forward to when I came to the US. Mo pé ọ̀tẹ̀ máa ṣe movie ní American bí actually I didn't know. So ọjọ́ kan mo kọ wo movie kan mo rí pé bíbá ìlọ ti ṣe. So mo rí orúkọ àwọn actors yẹn, mo rí orúkọ àwọn directors and all. I talk to these people or school or something. See mo lè join and just start from somewhere. So more reach out, see ìkànnì and all that. So she was like, okay, no problem. I'll introduce you to this and that and that. Then once or nǹkan tó lè ṣe bóyá máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ bí a máa lọ fún training nǹkan máa ṣe gbàṣàwọ̀ and all that. But anyways, listen, the rest is history. So that's just the.
So picking it up in America, this has taken like how many years now?
Kilawai.
2024.
6 years. Wow,
6 years. Wow. So your own movie, how many have you produced within 6 years?
So 3 full movies.
Okay.
One short story, and then maybe let me say 2 short story, but EKG I wouldn't want to talk about it because it was like a movie I produced with someone, but unfortunately I fall out. So we just couldn't, put it out there. But it's a short story as well. So like 3 full movies and then 2 short stories.
Then tí ó wà ń ta yìí tí àwọn èèyàn sọ káàkiri yìí mo rí pé àwọn tó wà Nàìjíríà bí náà the likes of Mide Funmi Martins ó wà ń bẹ̀ Lateef Adédìméjì ó wà ń bẹ̀. How do you do that? Ṣé ẹ travel wá sí Nàìjíríà ni or it's something you shot your own part there? Àwọn náà fi ti wọn kún bí báwo lẹ ṣe?
So actually mo wá sí Nigeria wá shoot
purposely for that or ẹ̀kọ́ mú àbí báwo yẹn jẹ́?
Mo wá sí Nigeria wá shoot movie yẹn.
Wow.
Itself. Like méjì tí mo ní mo ṣe like every other movie tí mo ṣe ibi báyìí ni mo ti ṣe. And the truth of the matter is, I mean, bá ṣe wà níbí báyìí náà, like I'm a Tampan member and I'm a Tampan USA member. And our colleagues were so cool, no. All over the world, UK, Nigeria, Canada, and all that. Okay. So it is our joy. See, Abajon, collaborate back up. Like Lateef Adédìméjì was say American saying, I want to shoot a movie. Like I would like to, have him on my, set and all that. Abi mo lọ sí Nigeria, mo fẹ́ shoot movie. Like I would like to have, them àwọn actors Nigeria, like okay, like Kashajo.
máa ṣàṣepọ̀.
Yeah, Kashajo ní àjọṣepọ̀ pé okay, àwọn TAMPAN members US, TAMPAN member Nigeria, TAMPAN member UK. It should just be, the title of our location, not nǹkan tó kọ́ máa, segregate or say ẹgbẹ́ kan. We should be able to, so.
Then doing this, having people in Nigeria, UK, and America, kẹ̀yà fíìmù kan papọ̀, kí ni cost implication eléyìí compare sí kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ṣe lójú kan.
No. So actually, this one ojú kan náà ni a ti ṣe. Akọ̀wà Nigeria nìkan la ti ṣe.
Okay, kò sí American version bẹ́ẹ̀.
Nigeria nìkan la ti ṣe. But revenge tí mo sọ yẹn.
Okay.
A ṣe ní Nigeria àti ibi báyìí ní America ibi báyìí àti Nigeria. Like on shoot àwọn scenes kan ní Nigeria. Then àwa ṣe àwọn scenes tiwa ní ibi báyìí ní America ibi báyìí. So kò sí on shoot movie ní 2 locations. Gbogbo ẹ̀, it's always costly. So I mean, èèyàn máa categorize gbogbo ẹ̀ not together as it is always costly. You want something good, So starting from and starting from your storyline, and build story fún yàn, tó fẹ́ build story dé orí and tó fẹ́ direct iṣẹ́, crew members and all that. Like dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ìgbà míì tíyàn bá náwó sí nǹkan, ẹ̀rí èsì ẹ̀ àbí ẹ̀rí the beauty of it. Yeah, so gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ló wá costly. Wọ́n shoot ẹ̀ lójú kan, wọ́n shoot ẹ̀ lójú mẹ́ta o. But maybe tó máa shoot ẹ̀ káàkiri yẹn ó lè wà more costly or something, but producing the movie is costly.
So the dream you pursued ní Nàìjíríà tí mọ́mí ò fẹ́ kẹ́ ṣe ń gbà yẹn nígbà tí wàá dé Amẹ́ríkà ló wà realized. How would you describe this? Ojú ò lẹ́yìn fi wò ó. Ṣé kádàrá ni àbí how do you feel about it?
Well, I just believe that nígbà yẹn ó ń ṣe àsìkò, like it was not just the time.
For you then.
Yes, it was not just the time, because like mo believe pé àsìkò tí nǹkan bá tó fún yàn, no matter what is stopping you or what is about to stop you, you would still, do it or achieve it. Shall understand? Yes, ó jẹ́ dream me, but nígbà yẹn, it was not my time. It was like coming to the US would be my time. But èmi ò tiẹ̀ ní mọ̀, ṣé mi gbà tiẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mo máa tẹ̀ wá sí US lọ́gbà yẹn àtọ̀ àbí nǹkan ni. Shall understand? Ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn ẹ̀dá a bá ń gbìyànjú nǹkan ni, but plan Ọlọ́run ó ti wà ń bẹ̀. We would only make effort, we would only try. Tó bá jẹ́ wish Ọlọ́run kí nǹkan yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ at that moment, á ṣẹlẹ̀. Á wà dàbẹ̀ ni pé I planned this thing and it worked out. No, ó gun Ọlọ́run kó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní time yẹn ni. Tí ó bá dẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ time yẹn náà, àsìkò títò fún nǹkan yẹn ni. Okay, how about bí ìgbà yẹn so many years ago mo ṣe tán secondary school ni. Mo dẹ̀ join theatre, mo ṣe kíníkan kí nǹkan tí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ bí ọ̀tá mi ó ti gbàbẹ̀ lọ something, because it was not just my time. Mo force ara mi síbẹ̀ àbí nǹkan kan ṣẹ́ mọ̀. So mo kàn believe pé that time was not just my time.
Mama ńkọ́? Your mom, Mama ńkọ́?
She's alive. You see,
So now, how does she feel now? Seeing you, doing it. How does she feel?
Well, our parents with this, our African parents with this, not all, but our African parents with this mentality of only theater, kinikon. So when I was going to start, I just, told them this time around, so far our family like, take permission, because if I give chance, take permission. Everybody, I clamp on me like, no, kinikon. So mo
started.
Mo take permission. Mo for something. I'm about to do this, and I'm doing this. Like maybe I was saying me, kinikon, or something. But mo take care at that moment. Mo fẹ́ fún one chance débi pé ọmọ talk me into like is the best kinikọ so mo kàn wá strict pẹ̀lú mo fẹ́ deliver message yẹn fún like mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ nǹkan báyìí o, mo kàn ní pé kí n sọ fún yín ni. So my mom was like, ìwọ ọmọ yìí, you know, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé láti ìjọ yìí ló ṣe
jáwọ́.
mọ́mí ẹ mọ̀ pé ìyẹn jẹ́ kí n ṣe ń gbà yẹn. You know, so but nísìnyí náà ẹ mọ̀ wọ́n kàn máa like wọ́n á kàn pè mí, wọ́n á kàn pray fún mi like bí a ti bá gbé iṣẹ́ kan jáde àbí nǹkan kan. I mean, she will just pray for me. I'm like, ṣàrọ̀rọ̀ o, kíní kan kí mo ní mo ti gbọ́, ẹ má worry, ẹ ṣáà máa fàdúrà ràn mí lọ́wọ́, that's all.
Then
You know,
this new movie, so far so good. What has been the game so far? Yeah, kí làwọn kan tó ti rí your projection tó ti wá bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣá.
The game, the positive feedback.
Okay.
Yes, like it means a lot to me. Like mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn Nigerians àbí gbogbo àgbáyé tó ti bá mi wo movie yìí, you know, and you know, I really want to thank them for the positive feedback. Chemo, àwọn kan tó máa ń fa ìwúrí fún yàn nìyẹn, you know, when you do something, gbogbo àwọn tá à ń ṣe tíátà, you know, tá à ń, you know, produce bí iṣẹ́ jáde ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, èèyàn ń gbìyànjú ni, ṣó yẹ yín, wọ́n tẹ máa ṣe, tẹ máa put out there tó máa turn àwọn viewers off or on, you know, so èèyàn ń gbìyànjú, èèyàn ń fi Ọlọ́run lọ́wọ́ and all that, but like, I mean, I'm just happy about the positive feedback, you know, like everybody were like, no, more like no storyline, yeah, oh, so interesting, like it's educative and all that, like in fact, I literally you have to be careful, look, you know, so the positive feedback mostly is, you know.
So going forward, can you might expect another 5 years from your stable?
Also, in another 5 years, I mean, like I said, you know, so I'm not usually the person that would say, in so year time, I should be here. So like maybe at the end of the day, lines more than, you know, direct me here and all that. But all I'm just gonna say is, by God's grace, in the next 5 years, I mean, I would be in a better place, you know, with this career. I'll be in a better place. I mean, I wouldn't be where I am right now.
Sure.
I'll be in a better place. And then mama, you know, will be like, lady, that to try you 5 years ago, to she almost Sekinat in but look at her now. You know,
bigger than.
So hopefully, all of that for me, you know, that's.
So what about projects?
Yeah, so after almost Sekinat jáde and all that, mo ato gbe jáde, like you know, projects in line, and we're gonna be working on it, like, or we started working on it, and very soon Oma materialize. So I just want to tell people out there, I mean, they should just expect something better, something greater from the stable of Sekinat, you know, and call on deck like Itabatushe, go to bury you Sekinat, you know, like I will just continue to get better, you know, give better stories, you know, and my stories would always be realistic, like reality ni emi mo fẹ́ máa, you know, tell out there. Àwọn nǹkan tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, truly, some might sound funny, like how possible, but then truly it happens. Ó máa jẹ́ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí nǹkan rí tí mo mọ̀, àbí tí mo ti gbọ́ rí, àbí nǹkan kan. So I have so many, I wouldn't want to say true life stories, but shemo, stories that are real.
Something very close.
Stories that are real, like things that happen truly. Like it's the kind of story I want to put out there to, you know, teach people how to say, like, okay, buy in the life share real, buy con in life share real, like
manage home, but they buy balance.
Okay. So that's another maybe about TV 1 or 2 actors in the US and maybe like they'll tell you it is so challenging. Like it is so challenging, like so challenging that probably in the space of that 6 years, probably like 1 year break, like, oh damn, I'm done, like I'm tired. It is really, really, really challenging. Nibi by and to repay way of living on its own is challenging because lifestyle is mostly ojilaro, olobise, láti bise, kini, olosibise kg. Not everybody, but so many people. Olosibise kg, okurobise, ologbomo ní school, ìyẹn ìwọ tó bá raise ọmọ kékeré lọ́wọ́, ologbomo ní school or ní bus stop or something, o délé, o fẹ́ sóúnjẹ fọ́mọ, o fẹ́ ṣe, before you know ti rẹ̀, o ti fẹ́ gbé phone kó, wo kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí Instagram àti Facebook àti gbogbo ẹ̀, ibi tó jókòó sí, ó ti nọ̀gẹ̀rẹ̀, ó ti sùn lọ, I'm telling you, then the next day again,
The same
thing. And along the line, you want to like shoot a movie or you want to, go to a location. Iṣẹ́ wà ńbẹ̀. Family wà ńbẹ̀, or as in, or family wà ńbẹ̀, ọmọ wà ńbẹ̀ and all that. Thing of fair, tọ́jú, like thing of fair, take care or do whatever. So it's really challenging, anyways, but one thing to mọ̀ ní pé ayé yìí, whatever you put your mind to do, just do it. Whichever way you can, just do it. Chemo, your man play around in con, like just look for your best way around it. Like best way around, tell me go about it. Best way to another colleague might go about it. But it's still the same line of challenge. Work, family, kiniko. It's still the same thing. But maybe she might go about it. Maybe this other person she might go about it. But the thing is, just try. Look for your best route. Just keep moving. And whenever you feel burnt out, just sit back, relax. Then,
Pick it up again.
That's my take. Yes.
You look up to guy in the where should be any. Yeah.
So, I mean,
do you have any at all? Do you have any at all? Any mentor, somebody that way. I see this person as a role model. Do you have any at all?
Well, I would say yes and no, but the truth of the matter is, I want to see Abalaba.
Benny.
Like I see so many of them doing great jobs. I appreciate what they do. I not envy me more. Tell me that envy word, but like I want to say envy, but more people sound funny.
Okay.
So I don't know what words to use actually, but like I appreciate what they do. I love what they do. Okay, I love what they do. I appreciate what they do. Maybe my way in your corner, your media, in so years time, coming, you're like came not a day level, any bye movie world and all that, But I have so many of them I look and appreciate. I cannot mention any names, and it couldn't be Laney, but so many of them.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'm looking for Mr. Dotsun Shoyinka.
Speaking right here.
I have a question for you.
Go right ahead with your question, man.
What have I done to deserve you?
What have you done to deserve me? Can I have my son? You said your Gina already though.
Zina!
You're ready?
How come?
Because Mama Wakuro Michelle, Alabama school and all of that. Getting home you'll be stressed, so I have to do something.
Oh, thank you so much.